If you find yourself in a situation where you need to reschedule a flight with Green Africa, you have the option to contact their customer service team either by phone or email. It is important to provide them with all of your booking details and clearly explain the reason for needing to make changes to your flight itinerary. The customer service team will then collaborate with you to identify an alternative flight that aligns with your schedule. Please keep in mind that there may be rescheduling fees associated with your ticket based on the fare rules. To increase the likelihood of securing a new flight that suits your needs, it is recommended to reach out to Green Africa as soon as possible. Rest assured that their dedicated customer service team is prepared to assist you with any adjustments you may need to make to your travel plans.
Our flight network works with all major airlines for seamless flight reservations. We assist with booking, cancellations, time changes, and more. Need to reschedule, check in, or upgrade? We've got you covered. Call us at 1321-461-8832 for all your flight reservation needs. For seamless travel experiences, trust our network and call us today.